Hey, what is up guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna do an unboxing of a Corgeut GMT, which is of course a Tudor GMT Homage. This one only costs $85. I actually already reviewed a Corgeut on this channel. That video can be found in the archives, and that watch was pretty good. I paid more for that one than this. I think I paid for this one $85, and for that watch I paid somewhere around $120, $125. So this watch is cheaper and it should have a GMT function. On the pictures it looks pretty good. I'm excited. So let's pop the box open and see how good this watch really is. We're back with another unboxing. In this box, I think, is the Corgeut GMT. The watch just arrived a few minutes ago, and it's really well packaged. A lot of tape has been used. So I'm gonna try to unbox it to the best of my ability. Now, I'm waiting for a few different watches, so I think that this is a Corgeut. The reason why I say that is because I already reviewed a Corgeut before. I did an unboxing of one, and it also came in this kind of styrofoam box and did not actually have a proper watch box. So I'm guessing it's the same thing once again. Actually, let me cut this open and come back in a second. I was able to get all the tape off of the styrofoam box. Now my house is covered in styrofoam balls, but that's okay. All right, so let's see what we have here. By the way, you can see the Z-Loss on my hand. Yeah, it is the Corgeut GMT. Okay. Of course, the Tudor GMT Homage. Look at that. It's got the GMT hand, the Pepsi bezel, everything. The bezel action is the same as the old Corgeut. Kind of wobbly. That's too bad. Does it align? Yeah, it aligns. All right. This actually looks pretty good. It has pretty good weight to it. Here's a closer look at the Tudor GMT Homage by Corgeut. I gotta tell you, the strap smells very strongly like paint thinner. That's the first thing I really noticed. The whole house now smells like paint thinner. Hopefully that smell airs out from the strap and from my house. Obviously it will air out from the house, but hopefully it airs out from the strap as well. Very interesting. There's a date complication. I wonder if this GMT hand actually works. So we do have, I believe, a screw down crown. Okay. The movement is hand windable. The hand winding is very smooth. Look at that. Okay, so first position, probably the date change. Second position is the time change. All right, so both hands move at the same time. That's what we call the poor man's GMT. Let's see the first position. Oh no, never mind. You can actually change the red GMT hand. That's pretty good. All right, now I'm even more excited to test out this watch and see if it actually works properly. All right, the crown action could be better. I'll tell you that much. Polished finish on the sides, bit of brushing on the top here. Okay, I'm excited to test this one out, and of course I'll report back to you with the full review in a few weeks' time. So that was the unboxing of the Corgeut GMT. Not bad for $85. But of course I'll come back in a few weeks' time with the full review, give you all the pros, all the cons, how accurate the movement is, give you a loom shot and the rest of it. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, of course, if you don't want to miss that video. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know, are you looking forward to this review? Are you interested in these Corgeut GMT watches at all? There are a few different versions available with the black bezel and of course this Pepsi bezel. By the way, today on my wrist I'm wearing my Z-Loss Swordfish. Going through the testing phase right now. I just did an unboxing of this watch last week. That video can be found on the channel. Looking forward to doing the review for the Z-Loss soon. Also in the description there is a secret link. Check it out. I think you'll like this one. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.